One of the many issues where Democrats and Republicans are drawing contrast is in this year's election's health care, specifically Obamacare. The legislation has been in effect since 2010 and has been renamed controversial, with both Trump and Harris using it for political points as their campaign. Reporter Alissa Firestone takes a look at the local perspective.
Healthcare is always a hot topic in elections, and this year is no exception, particularly when it comes to the Affordable Care Act and whether it will continue as a government program when a new president is in office. It is no surprise that healthcare costs can have the tendency to add up.
And 1 million Arizonans could lose their healthcare coverage.
Arizona state representatives and advocacy leaders alongside the Harris-Walz Campaign of Arizona gather in Phoenix at the Wesley Community and Health Center to speak out against what they perceive as Trump's stance on the ACA.
I have pre-existing health conditions that would prohibit me from having access to coverage on the open market, but I knew I would be able to get coverage when the new year started thanks to the ACA.
Like Shelley, Arizonan political activists Manuel Hernandez and Margarita Silva say they would be personally affected if Obamacare was repealed.
I have a grandchild that's a diabetic, and if he can't get his medicine, then for everything, it's going to affect us in the future.
In the debate with Vice President Kamala Harris, Trump said that Obamacare is a flawed health care system, but he did not say he would repeal it. He said he would improve it. Tyler Montague agrees that the ACA needs to be improved, and he thinks we need to look at it from an economic standpoint.
I like the ones that play with the supply and demand piece of it and say, okay, let's find a way to get more doctors and more providers and compete compete on price, open up the market.
Open enrollment for Obamacare begins on November 1st, 2021 and will end on January 16th, 2025. For now, it is still part of the healthcare fabric in the United States. In the newsroom, Alissa Firestone, Cronkite News.